harbor, in the island, in the Spanish seas, are the tiny white houses and the orange trees, and day long, night long, the cool and pleasant breeze of the steady trade winds blowing. There is the red wine, the nutty Spanish ale, the shop full of the dancers and the old salt's tale, the squeaking fiddle and the sawing in the sail of the steady trade winds blowing. And o' nights there's the fireflies and the yellow moon, and in the ghostly palm trees the sleepy tune of the quiet voice calling me. The long, low croon of the steady trade winds have dreams. If you act, they will come true. To turn your dreams to a fact, it's up to you. If you have the soul and the spirit, never fear it, you'll see it through. Hearts can inspire all the hearts with their fire, for the strong obey when a strong man shows them the way. Give me some men who are stout-hearted men who will fight for the right they adore. Start me with 10 who are stout-hearted men, and I'll soon give you 10,000 more. Oh, shoulder to shoulder and bolder they grow as they go to the fore. Then there's nothing in the world can halt or mar a plan. When stout-hearted men can stick together,